She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
It is like more of kind of dangerous place. And as you can see these ridges, you can play, you can put your one teammate there, you can camp there. If enemies are from there, you can snipe them from this place. Yeah, exactly. See, so many covers. That is Georgia Pool Hill, as you can see, but it is very like kind of jungle type. There's too much forest there, but no problem. It is,
We are holding a rich place.
PUBG developers created PUBG New State 2050, but we have created real life PUBG 1990. So, like, don't mind, okay?
Let's go.
Kind of a grassy place.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't.
Don't bring vehicles to this place, or else you can't go up the hill. Okay, understood, cameraman?
Yes.
Okay, by the way, our cameraman is our fragger of our team, but he's retired now. That is why he's doing the camera shit. Let's go.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Let me tell you where we are going, okay? So, the top hill, as you can see there, basically it is Stalber. Okay, like as you can see this place. Move around the camera a little bit. As you can see, it is exactly like Stalber. There's down the slope there, and this is the uphill, as you can see. Unfortunately, we landed on Gatka region. From there we came here by running. No loot, nothing, no guns, no vest, no armor. But yes, we have hope that we'll get good loot there. Let's go.
Good loot.
And yes, I got this jacket from Classic Crate. I'm very happy about it. It costed me about 60 silver fragments. Check it out on the store. The guy going in front of me, he doesn't know anything. He's just new to PUBG. He just requested me, bro, let me play in your team. That is why I'm letting him to go further. If he dies, we'll able to know that there are enemies, so we can take cover or we'll run away. As simple as that.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
In the Erangel map, you all have seen that there's a crater actually. There's a great crater on the map. You'll get to see if you open the Erangel map. Let me show you. So, this was the crater. This was the crater that happened like in 1990 on this version of PUBG. Not this PUBG, but BGMI, of course. So, this is where the crater is. And I'm sorry that we don't have a drone, otherwise I have shown you how it looks like, how all this place looks like. Don't go inside, you'll die. Knock me, fool. Too many holes. Don't go deep inside it, okay? You don't need to show all the details. Finally, we are at the top. See that move? I don't know where he's going. Sorry about that false language. That is why this player, our fragger, got retired because of this. We kicked him out from our team, but no worries. No man, as you can see, we didn't got any loot yet, but let's hope for the best. And more of a bad thing about this time is we got matched in a day and night mode. So as you can see, yeah. Sadly and unfortunately, we didn't got any loot because Stalber doesn't provide a good loot for a 4-man squad or 3-man squad. You can see from there. Can you see it? Can you show them? I don't know whether it is visible to you or not, but we came from there to here. It's a long journey, but we didn't got any loot.
Because Erangel वालों की
Yeah, exactly. And we're gonna install the game after this. Thank you. Bye.